Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for coming by. Happy Monday morning. We have Face Mask Monday and today I have a bonus. I got a couple of minutes ago an email from Boxycharm saying that I had something special on the way, and I clicked on it and was like, what is this? And it's the Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer, and it said that it was delivering, so I did the tracking and it said it was already here. Interesting. So I went in my mailbox and it was indeed delivered yesterday. I didn't even know it was here, so that's exciting. So while the face mask is on, we'll get into that bag and check out that primer for anybody who might have it coming their way. Okay, the face mask that we're gonna do today is this one that came in a lot of our Ipsy bags, and it's from Look at Me, and it's the Sweet Honey Bear face mask. And it's supposed to be hydrating and soothing. And I went out and found on Amazon where you can buy 12 of them, and it's a bear and a panda and a bunny and the raccoon, which I got the raccoon one also. And you get 12, so 3 of each of those for $18.99. So if they're good, they are a bargain. Now, going in today, we have to notice that first, I am already a little red. So I got a little bit of sun yesterday. Let's just leave it at that. It's not sunburn, it's just, and I had suntan lotion on, but it's not sunburn, it's just kind of, I'm telling you, my face doesn't like anything, the sun included. So I did a little research on this, and let me read to you what it says. Enriched with honey and propolis extract to help refresh and energize the skin, it leaves it soft, smooth, and supple. It absorbs easily and gives you great hydration without leaving you greasy. I've never had a mask leave me greasy. I'm more interested in, does it leave me tacky? But we'll get to that. You leave it on for 15 minutes, and this is a Korean brand. Okay, let's just rip right, well, it's a juicy one. Let's just rip right in here and put it on, and while we have this on, we'll get in there and look at that cute little bag that I got. Oh, it's so wet. From Boxycharm. I can't believe it. They actually sent that out pretty quickly. I mean, today it's the 1st, July 1st. So I guess if you had somebody sign up under you early in June, because it was a June promotion, they sent them out really early. This smells nice. It smells just like honey. And I wish I had done this before I got my hands greasy, but I'm going to take this pair of glasses that I have over here and push my hair back off my forehead in an attempt. I did my part lower today. What do you guys think? I kind of like it lower. Anyway, we'll see. Okay, let's hold that all back. And it smells so much like honey. It smells really, really good. And get in here. Ooh. Oh, it's cool. That's always nice. Uh-oh. Trying to peel this part back up here. I have my little mirror down here just below you guys. Pull this back. Feels like it's going to be one of the ones that sticks and stays really nicely. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's so cool and nice. Oh, feels good. Hydrating is always good for me. It doesn't matter whether it's summer or winter. My face always prefers hydration over any kind of detox. It just likes it better. Okay, let's see how much of this I can get into without this falling down. So I have this cute little bag from Boxycharm. I'll just rip right into it. All right, there it is. Uh-oh, my glasses are on my head. It is the Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. And it is the full size. That is so cool. This was such an awesome giveaway. Again, thank you so much whoever signed up with my link. That is so exciting. Oh, it's pretty. How pretty that is. I tell you, after we get this off and have it dry down, I'll put a little bit of this under there. I did a little research since I knew it was coming up with this, because as you guys have learned, that's what I do now. I do research. And let me tell you a little bit about it. This is a $32 product because it is full size from Becca. And I went on and looked it up at Sephora, and it had 715 reviews, and it had an overall 4-star review. It is 0.13 ounces. It is a cooling anti-fatigue eye balm and primer that preps the skin for smooth makeup application. They say it blurs the look of fine lines and reduces puffiness, and it's infused with cucumber, matcha green tea, and caffeine. It is a sheer but velvety texture that melts into the skin and conditions the eye area. This all sounds so good. I so hope this lives up to the expectation. And it preps your under eye for color correcting and concealing. Okay, that's all we can know about that so far until we put it on our face. It's starting to feel a little itchy. Doesn't smell like anything. Oh, it's just smooth. It feels just like a balm, like you would expect a balm to feel. You can see a little bit of shiny. Can you see that shiny on this finger? And oh, it does. It's got, I don't know if you've ever tried the Tatcha primer, but this feels a lot like that Tatcha primer, how it kind of blends out the pores. All right, well, I'll try that on my face soon. I'm going to go away, wait out the rest of my 15 minutes, and we'll be back to see what this looks like and to put a little bit of this on. I'll be back, guys. All right, guys, I am back, and it has been 15 minutes. Actually, it's been about 17 minutes. I will admit, I feel a tad itchy under here. There is, can you see how wet my face is? There is so much liquid still on my face. So we just tap in what's left. There is a lot of moisture. This is more than tapping in. I mean, my face is wet. We'll give that a couple minutes and then I will just tap off what's left with a washcloth, because I don't think this is ever gonna dry. It feels really nice now. There toward the end when it was on my face, I had some itching, and where I just tapped, my fingers aren't at all tacky, so I'm down for that. I do not like it when it gets tacky. Yeah, it's not tacky at all. Let's see if it'll just dry or if I'm gonna have to tap some of it off. While we are doing this, while I am attempting to dry my face, also this feels very cool and nice, I will tell you, I am going to put up this evening a giveaway video for my 1000K giveaway. And thank you guys so much for being there and supporting me and getting me to 1000 subscribers. It is amazing. And I feel so blessed, guys. It's just amazing. I can't believe it. When I started doing this, it was just for me and for fun. And when I go back and look at that first video, it's amazing to me how much has changed in the 10 months since I started. And most of it's because of you guys. I've met some really awesome people and I love it. I smell like honey. It smells so good, and it is drying. We're going to give it a little bit right here under my eyes. We're going to give it a little bit of help with the drying because I want to put a little bit of this Becca on and see if it makes any difference. So we want to be good and dry for that. Okay, I feel nice and dry under my eyes. I do not feel like this is going to leave me sticky or tacky. I do not think that I am any more red than I was when I started this, and the cooling when I was wearing it felt nice. Like I said, toward the end it started to feel a little itchy, but the second I took it off, it didn't itch anymore. So it wasn't the serum, it was literally probably the mask itself, whatever was in the paper of the mask, because once I took it off, the serum didn't leave me itchy. So that is the Sweet Honey Bear face mask that a lot of us got in our Ipsy this month, and you may get over the course of the next couple months, or a chance to buy in an add-on, and I thought we'd see if we liked it. I'd say yes. I don't ever say whether I would buy the masks because frankly, we get so many masks, I will probably never in my lifetime have to buy a mask. So let's put a little bit of this on. I'm gonna look down here in this mirror for a second just to see if we feel like it makes any difference. It feels really smooth and nice. They said to avoid directly your lash line, so there must be something in it they don't want in your eye. I don't see any difference, but I have serious dark under eye circles, but it feels really nice. And again, they said it had cucumber and matcha tea and caffeine in it to help with fine lines. So I suspect it's one of those things that while today there's no huge fine line or dark circle reduction, it's one of those things that builds. But I do feel like there's no way that what I put on under here next isn't going to go on more smoothly because, oh yeah, because it just feels, it feels smooth. It feels like I've put a primer on. Like I said, like the texture of one of those Tatcha primers where you scrape across the top and it's really pore filling. It feels like it has the slip of that, not like one of the silicone primers. Okay, well that is the Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. And I don't have any itching. That's always good to know. I don't have any itching or anything else. I am starting to find that it has a little bit of cooling. I feel a little bit of cooling going on. Like, it didn't say anything about menthol or anything, and you wouldn't think you'd want that in your eye, but it does feel a little cooling. Interesting. So we'll see how that goes. If this goes amok, I will let you know in a comment below that, oh my goodness, it turned from cooling to burning. And thank you again so much to whoever signed up under my link. And I can't wait till you get yours. Be sure and let me know below if it's you and if you've received yours yet and have you tried it and like it. And I will see you guys later with my giveaway. Thanks so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll see when I put out my next video. And I'll see you this evening with the giveaway. Bye, guys.